Hi everybody, thank you so much for joining us here on this video. Today we're going to be talking about how to invert your charts on the ThinkorSwim trading platform. Welcome back to all of our subscribers, and if this is your first time here, my name is Kirk with Tactical Options Trading, and we make videos just like this on a consistent basis where we talk about the stock market and options trading, all things ThinkorSwim. We put live trades on our channel here. If you haven't already, I hope you'll consider clicking that button right there. We place videos out here all the time, and while you're at it, click that bell so that you don't miss out on any future content. All right, guys, let's just jump right in. All right, inside the ThinkorSwim trading platform, welcome back, you guys. Today, I'm just going to make you a quick video. It's actually so quick, you're going to be like, wow, that was a short video. But I wanted to show you guys how to actually invert your charts, because when you're looking at certain charts, sometimes it helps to flip those charts upside down and get a better idea of what that, look at it from both sides, I guess, so to speak. So let's say we're looking at Amazon right here. We can see that we have Amazon. It's been in a downtrend. Is it going to continue down? I don't know. I mean, let's look at it from the other side and we'll get an idea of what we think is going to actually happen. So all you got to do, guys, is just put a minus symbol in front of the ticker. And there you go. So looking at it that way, what do you guys think it's going to do? To me, I mean, it looks like this is going to continue to, have a little pullback and then something like that. But looking at it the other way, just with without that minus symbol in there, I mean, it looks like what is it going to do? It's hard to actually tell, right? I mean, it could be down like this. That's what I think it's going to do, but you never know. But anyway, it's just another way to basically kind of analyze a stock when you're looking at it. So you can just put that minus symbol in front of it, and it's going to make it look a little bit different. You're going to look at it from both sides, so to speak. So here's Goldman Sachs. Let's take a look at Goldman Sachs. So you can see we've had a downtrend. We had some big moves down over the last few days, and then let's put a minus symbol in front of it, and we'll see what that actually looks like. So wow, you can see that we're really extended. If we look at it this way, we're really extended to that upside. And if we're looking at it as a bullish play, if I was bullish on Goldman Sachs based on this chart, I might not want to get in at this point because it looks like it's, overextended and we're going to have a little bit of a pullback. So it kind of gives you an idea when you're looking at this. You're like, well, okay, we're overextended. We're probably going to do a little bit of a pullback and then something like this, right? So when we're looking at it just Goldman Sachs, if I could type it in correctly, Goldman Sachs, we're extended to that downside, so maybe looking at a little bit of a pullback and then continue down. But something to think about, guys, when you're analyzing your charts and you're using your technical analysis, just throw a minus symbol in front of the ticker and it's going to flip those charts upside down and kind of give you a different perspective on looking at these charts. I find that very helpful, just to look at it from both sides. So anyway, I hope this video has been helpful to you. We enjoy making these videos, and thank you guys so much for watching them. If you think this video has been helpful, give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing. Again, my name's Kirk with Tactical Options Trading. Catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.